Morning, everybody. We had family move down here recently, and they are big food storage people also. So what we're going to do today is start ripping up lumber to build shelving for food storage. So hopefully when I get done, it'll look nice and be good and functional. First thing I'm going to do is take 2x4s and I'm going to rip them in half, so I have 2x2s, 1.5 by 1.5 for framing the shelves underneath. They're going to be 16 inches wide, will hold 4 jars in a row, and the 2x2s I'm ripping will be a little better quality than what you get at the lumber yard, only because they tend to sit out in the sun, or they get hot and they start drying out and they start warping. Hopefully I can get these put on the wood before they start going into twisted mode.
So I drew up this plan, and that's what we're going to go by. The height is to scale, but the width is not. They will be 8-foot wide shelving units, and we're going to make 2 of them.
Next thing I'm going to do is cut the legs for each corner. We're just going to be plain 2x4s, and we're going to actually make a ladder looking thing when we're done for each end. Then each shelf will sit on a part of the ladder all the way up. I think I have 8 of these.
Yes.
Okay. Now I guess the next part is to rip our plywood. Cutting the shelves 16 inches wide. That way we get 3 shelves out of each pieces of plywood. This is 16, that's where my cut is. You want to get the screws out of the truck that I just got? Just a Vita fly. one in the middle and one on each end. Center. Okay. Screws on top. One day.
You want me to lean it up against something, or where you want to take it?
Just stand it up over there, buddy. Okay, now I'm going to build the end pieces. Basically to look like a ladder, and the shelves will sit on each 2x2 or 1.5 by 1.5. And so here we go. I need 4 of them. I just got to cut a bunch of 16-inch pieces now. That's the bottoms, right?
That's the bottom.
Then what?
42.
42. Then what?
53.
Okay, then
64.
another board. right here for now.
Okay, do you want me to just hold on to this?
No, I want you to take that. And I'm going to put one screw in it. Got that? Put this one up there.
On the very top or the
No,
next?
on the next shelf. Okay guys, we got to make the two ends for the other shelving, and I'll probably cut a couple V-shaped brace for the back, and we'll have one in the front, a 2x2 going all the way to the floor, but that'll be put on when we install it. There will be a couple pictures at the end showing you when the unit's full, and other than that, we're done. Thanks a lot for watching. We really appreciate it, and we'll catch you later.
Okay, that's what it looks like all set up, and now Paula can fill it with jars.